So guys, I'm so excited right now. Like I'm very excited right now. I've been building my YouTube channel for over a year plus now, and I finally got invited into the YouTube partner program. And in less than 48 hours of applying for it, I was accepted into the YouTube partner program. Like I'm so excited, guys. I have seen a lot of YouTubers complain about how it took them 1 week. Some say it took them 1 month to get accepted, but mine took me just less than 24 hours. So on the 21st of March, I got this email telling me that I can now earn from ads, I can earn from channel membership, shopping, and more. Like, I think this is one of the best email I've gotten this year. Like, I never expected it to come this soon. I did a countdown for myself that, okay, within the next 40 days, I should be able to reach the YouTube requirement. And all of a sudden, one of my videos went boom, like viral. Not viral like you say. At least it got me a lot of results in a very short period of time, like crazy views, crazy watch hours, crazy subscribers. Like, I never expected it, guys, and luckily for me, it also got me the requirements I needed. So in this video, I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how to apply for monetization and how you can maximize your monetization on YouTube. The necessary settings you need to put in place so that you can maximize your earnings on YouTube. Do you understand? So to get monetized on YouTube, there are some requirements you need to meet, which I believe most of us already know that by now. So you need to reach the 1000 subscribers and you need to reach 4000 watch hours within 365 days. That's if you do long form videos. Do you understand? And if you are such creator that do short form videos, you need to reach a total of 1000 subscribers and 10 million views within 90 days. Within 90 days. So what that means is that in a period of 365 days, you must always be on 4000 watch hours. Like, you must always be on 4000 watch hours. If it drops below 4000 within any 365 days, your monetization will be lost. They will get to withdraw your monetization. And the same applies to the short form videos. If you get less than 10 million views in any 90 days, your monetization will be withdrawn. I just hope you understand what I just explained to you guys. Alright, so let me proceed and show you guys how to check your watch hours within 365 days so that you get to know when you've gotten to the requirement. So for you to do that, just go to your Chrome browser and search for studio.youtube.com. So once you search for that, then you'll be welcome with this interface. So simply go to where you have the analytic icon. So once you tap on that, this will load up for you. You can see channel analytics. So right here is where you get to see your progress within 365 days. So you can see that right here we are having just last 28 days. So I'll just tap on the 28 days, then to bring down where we can get to check last 365 days. So once I tap on last 365 days, then I'll get to see the full data for 365 days. So you can see that within 365 days, I've gotten about 1400 views. I've gotten about 51 watch hours and 54 subscribers. So right here is where you get to see how many subscribers you got, how many views you got, and even the watch hours you got within 365 days. So once it has gotten to about 4000 watch hours and 1000 subscribers, then you get to know that you've qualified for monetization. So I'll be showing you the step-by-step process you have to take to get monetized. You understand? So for you to apply for monetization and become a YouTube partner, you need to go to the left side where you have those several icons and tap on where you have N. So once you tap on N, so right here you can see that the apply button is ready to be clicked. So we just click apply now, and from here it is going to bring us to the steps to actually sign up to earn money from YouTube. So it's either you click on apply now right here, or you can go back to the email they sent to you. By the time you qualify for the partner program, they would have sent this email to you. Then you come down here and click on start application. So either you click on start application here, or you click on apply now on your YouTube studio. So the very first step you want to take right here is to review the base terms of YouTube. So these are like the terms and conditions for getting into the YouTube partner program. So take your time and read it so that you don't violate their policy. This could lead to you losing your monetization. So you want to like read everything carefully, then get to like accept their terms and condition. Not like you have any choice. You still have to accept the terms and condition. But just ensure you read it through so that you don't get to like do anything that will terminate your monetization. Right here, I'll click I accept the terms and condition. Then I'll scroll down to step number 2, which is to sign up for the Google AdSense. So the Google AdSense is like an account you register with Google, through which you offer advertising space to business owners. Do you understand? It's on this account you are going to get paid from YouTube when you start making money. Then the money will now be sent to your personal bank account on a monthly basis as long as you reach the YouTube threshold. So it's important to note that there's a threshold for you to withdraw your money on YouTube. You need to reach at least $100 every month to be able to withdraw your money every month. So that's another criteria you have to put in mind. So if you don't have the AdSense account, that's totally fine. It's a pretty straightforward process. So let's begin with the process of connecting AdSense to our channel by clicking start. And if you don't already have an AdSense account, just click no, I don't have an account. And then on the next screen, it will prompt you to create your AdSense account. You can use the exact Gmail that you used to create your YouTube for your AdSense. It's totally fine. In fact, that's advisable for you. And from there, once you have set this up, you can now scroll down and click on accept association. And then you'll be brought back to your YouTube studio where you can start the next step. Creating your AdSense account is very simple. Just follow the steps that come up after you tap I don't have an AdSense account. Just ensure you follow those steps carefully. Don't do any mistake. It's a very straightforward process. So this is a quick tip for you so that you don't make mistake. So when you are filling your name under the AdSense section, when you are trying to create your AdSense account, ensure that the name you use there is the same as the name on your bank details. Do you understand? So that in the future you don't have any challenges withdrawing your money. Also ensure that you use a feasible address. You use an address that is very, very feasible, because that is where they will bring your AdSense pin. So now that you have an AdSense account, you can now see it says this step is done now. It's time for step 3, which is to get reviewed and get into the monetization program. So like we are done with the whole application process. So it's now left for YouTube to review the information you provided to them and see if you are qualified for monetization. And as you can see right here, it says we will email you a decision usually within a month. Well, the good news is that it doesn't take up to a month for you to get accepted if you actually followed every step I just showed right now. For me, it took me less than 48 hours and I got this email you are seeing right here welcoming me to the YouTube partner program. So just brace up and get ready to start earning from YouTube. Like that's one of the biggest feelings ever. Well, even though the money is very small for me right now, like the money I'm seeing on my dashboard is very small, but well, that's a discussion for another day. So, all right. So now I'll be showing you the most important steps you must take if you wish to maximize your earnings after getting monetized. I'll be showing you how to enable ads on all your videos once you are accepted into the monetization program. So once you've gotten this email notifying you that you have been accepted, so the next step is now for you to go to your video manager within the YouTube studio, where you get to see a brand new tab that has been added for you.
Quick one, to become successful in any online business, you need mentorship. And the fact that you don't have someone that is mentoring you in the business of YouTube monetization might be the reason why you are still struggling with the business. So if you wish to have a mentor, someone that can always answer your questions, someone that can always guide you, then you want to connect with me on WhatsApp. Trust me, I'll guide you for totally free. I'll guide you for totally free as long as you don't ask for too much. If you ask for too much, I might have to charge you for that, but I'll guide you for totally free. You get to ask many questions. You get to learn my secrets to becoming monetized on YouTube. Alright, I'll see my DM. So let's proceed.
For you to go to your video manager, just tap on this icon right here. Once you tap on that, you can see right here, there's an icon showing right here showing that my videos are monetized. Can you see that? So the first step you need to do is activate all your videos. So for you, all your videos will be showing off. You can see mine is showing on, all your videos will be showing off. So I'll be showing you how to activate everything, how to turn on everything, so that you don't go about doing them one by one. Peradventure you have more than 100 videos on your channel, that will take you a lot of time. So for you to do that, simply come to where you have this video box up here and click on it. Once you click on it, it means you've selected all the videos on your channel. So I'll tap on it. Can you see 30 selected over there? Once you've selected everything, then tap on this edit text. So once you tap on it, it will bring out some options for you. So you can see we have title, description, tags, visibility, monetization. So just tap on monetization. Can you see this will come up for you? So you can see that mine is showing on. Over there it will be showing off for you. So just tap on it and click on. So once you click on, come over here and click on update videos. Can you see? And automatically every video on your channel will become monetized. That's very simple, guys. So that's the very step you must take after you have been accepted into the YouTube partner program. This will save you lots of time. Instead of you going one by one trying to activate every video, this will save you lots of time. So the next step I'll be showing you guys is how to activate pre-roll ads, mid-roll ads, and even post-roll ads. So this means those kind of ads that show before your video, during your videos, and after your videos. They are usually called pre-roll, mid-roll, and post-roll ads. So instead of you posting a video and it's only once that they show an ad on your video and you are getting paid just once, you'll be able to like tell YouTube that, okay, I want you to put about 3 or 4 ads on my videos, so that way I can get to earn more money. Do you understand? That is why it is important to do this setting I'm about to show you right now. So it is called the pre-roll ad, the mid-roll ad, and the post-roll ad. And it's important you notice that this setting is only applicable for videos that are above 8 minutes. If that video of yours is less than 8 minutes, you'll not be able to activate this setting I'm about to show you right now. So that is why it is always important you make long form videos so that you can maximize your earning on YouTube. So for you to do this, let's go to those videos that have more views on our channel. Like let's start with those videos that has more view on our channel. So for you to do that, just go to where you have the view section. Then we sort them from the highest view to the lowest. So that way you get to work on those that has the most view, those that are getting crazy views on your channel. Then you get to like do this setting I'm about to show you right now. So once you are right here, you can see that it's showing this video that has the most view, about 32,000 views. You can see the second one is about 14,000 views. So this is like from the top to the lowest. Then I'll tap on the first one. So once I tap on that first one, it will bring out the back end of the video for me. So right here, I'll come to where you have this N icon. So once you click on that N icon, then to bring out where we get to do the setting I'm about to show you guys. You can see right here it's showing monetization on, which yours too should be showing that because of the setting we just did right now. And you can see right here it's showing show mid-roll ads during my video, and it's checked. Can you see that? Right there, you want to also check it. You want to like tick on show mid-roll ads during my video. So once you tick on that, then it should bring out this option for you which says manage ad slots. Can you see that? Manage ad slots. So right here is where you get to like input how many ads you want to show on your video. So once I tap on manage ad slots, it will take me to where my video is and where I get to like manage how many ads get to show on my video. So can you see that this particular video has about 5 different ads. 3 was added automatically by YouTube and I added 2 by myself. So about 5 different ads are showing on this video. So I'll also show you how to do the automatic setting so that you can always get ads added to your videos automatically without you going to add it on your own. So it's just that if you want more ads to show in your videos, if you want to maximize your earning, you can also go with the manual setting and also go and add some ads on your own. So right here, for you to add an ad on your video, just go to where you have this insert ad slots. So once you go to insert ad slots, you get to like input the time you want the ads to show up. Can you see that this one is showing 0000000? So you get to like input the time in your video you want the ads to show up. So once you've done that, then come to where you have this continue, then you save it. Do you understand? Can you see? Then you come here and you save it. So that way you've added your ad slots manually. Hope you get the point, guys. So this setting is very important if you want to maximize your earning on YouTube. You want to always input mid-row ads, you want to always input post-row ads, and also pre-row ads. So I just showed you guys how to like do the settings for your top videos. Those videos of yours that have low amount of views might not need all this setting because obviously they're not the one pulling in the crowd for you. Just go ahead and do this setting on your top videos. All those your videos you know that are getting about thousands of views, just go ahead and do the setting on those videos. Or if you want to do it on all your videos, that's also very perfect. Now the final setting I'll be showing you guys, which is how to always ensure every new video you post on your YouTube automatically have pre-roll ads, mid-roll ad, and post-roll ad. So it's just a setting you need to do, and you won't have to ever come here and do any manual setting again. So for you to do that setting, so once you are here, you want to come to where you have this setting icon down here. So click on setting. This should come up for you. Can you see? So go to where you have upload default. So tap on upload default. So once you tap on that, so come to where you have monetization. Can you see that monetization right there? So go to monetization and tap on it. So can you see? So right here you get to see where you get to like tick show mid-row ads during my videos. So once you tick this, then you come to where you have save and you save it, and that way your videos will automatically have pre-roll ads, mid-roll ad, and post-roll ad. These are the three settings you need to do for your videos so that you can maximize your earnings on YouTube. It's important to do this setting so that you can quickly reach the $100 threshold and you can start getting paid every month. The reason why most people struggle to reach that threshold is because probably in all their videos the YouTube ad is shown only once. But if you're able to activate all this setting, at least if they're able to show you about 3 or 4 ads on your videos, that way your chances of earning more increases and you get to like reach the monetization threshold faster. But the good news is that even if you don't make up to $100 in your first month, the money will be piled up for you till when you accumulate the $100 threshold, and you'll be paid in the next payout date. Hope you get the point. Even if you don't reach that threshold your first month, if it's your second month or your third month you reach that threshold, they will definitely pay you every money you've accumulated so far. Before I end this video, if you would like to learn how to fill your tax information as a non-US citizen so that you get to avoid the heavy tax charges that are levied on US citizens, then you want to go to the comment section right now and comment tax information in the comment section. Just go to the comment section right now and comment tax information so that you don't get to like get charged heavily. You get to like save yourself some money. If you don't fill this tax information, you'll be making a lot of money and YouTube will be taking a chunk of it from your earnings. So it is important to learn how to fill this tax information the right way so that you get to like save more money for yourself and even make more money for yourself. So if you like to learn how to fill your tax information, just go to the comment section right now and comment tax information. So I believe you got value from my channel. I believe you got value from this video. And if you did, ensure to subscribe to my channel, ensure to like this video, and drop a comment which part you found valuable the most. So guys, I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye everybody.